Right, so today I thought we'd do a quick video of Andreas working in the lab. We're going to do some cloning today. So these are some wood bluets that I found over the weekend, Mayhill in Gloucester. We're just spraying down the outside of the mushroom with isopropyl 70% alcohol. And what this does is it just kind of makes it clean to handle on the outside. It's not, it's not going to keep it completely sterile. There's a lot of kind of uneven surfaces and stuff in there. What we're going to do is we're going to spray down each mushroom, kind of wipe off any excess dirt and stuff, get rid of any bits of crap. And then what we're going to do is we're going to split this mushroom straight down the middle and expose the kind of sterile part of the flesh, which is always the best place to take your sort of biopsy from. So as with kind of with this sort of mushroom, this agaricus style cap and stalk mushroom, the best place to take it is generally going to be the same. There'll be some exceptions, obviously, where your specimen might not be perfectly kind of intact. You might have quite a maggot-ridden mushroom that you find that you're still desperate to take a sample of. You'll just have to kind of search around in that area, and sometimes you just have to accept the fact that you're not going to get a perfectly clean piece of mushroom, and there's going to be some transfers involved. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick the shittest mushroom first. So that's this is going to be like our test run, and then we're going to spend way longer than we should trying to split this down the middle. This isn't even a particularly hard species. It's just I think there was some overcautiousness here. You just want to split that like it's. Yeah, there we go. Keep going. Yeah, try not to obviously stick your thumb straight into the area that we're taking a sterile sample from. But yeah, there you go. So the top kind of what we're looking at here is I'm going to pause the video quickly. Okay, so this now shows basically we're looking for the top of the stiple, the stem, where it meets the cap is where we're going to take our kind of biopsy from. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to use our scalpel and we're going to cut out a small grid of a few pieces that which we're then going to transfer to agar. And this can be quite fiddly, but you'll kind of get used to it. With a sample this size, it's not too bad, but you do want to kind of keep the cutting inside the sterile zone, otherwise you're going to be having to re-sterilize, or you could just stick it in your thumb, or you're going to have to re-sterilize your scalpel each time. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to gouge out a small square. And what I normally do at this point is I'll launch that across the room rather than actually keeping it on the scalpel. So we're just going to pop this onto. We've got a selection of kind of leftover plates that we had just lingering around. So normally you can just tap it on the edge and it'll drop off, or you can just dig it into the center of the agar like that and just kind of make sure there's good contact. And that's it. That's your first transfer. You've stolen the soul of a mushroom. And the cool thing about this is you can literally walk into a supermarket now. You can pick up a packet of mushrooms and you can steal the soul of those mushrooms as well. So, effectively making you like a shoplifter, but in a less obvious way. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's only a short one, but yeah, if you enjoy our videos, then fondle the subscribe button, tickle the bell, and yeah, maybe we'll make some more if you show how much you like it. Maybe that'll inflate our egos just enough to keep us interested. Thanks.